Assalamu alaikum viewers with another very informative video. In this video I will discuss about the jobs in Oman. There is a Indian school Salalah. There are a lot of vacancies for different fields. So in order to apply must watch this video full. So if you are new on this channel, subscribe it in order to get every new video related to jobs, scholarships and earning point of view. So let's start and move to the screen of the mobile. Viewers, first of all open Google Chrome. Right here Indian School Salalah. See here the location. It is located in Oman. Now you have to click on the careers. Look here. There are a lot of posts and the closing date is 15 October 2023. This is for the year academic year 2024 to 25. Applications invited from dynamic, experienced, passionate candidates with IT skills and growth mindset to apply for the following post of the academic year 2024 to 25. फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल 2024. यहाँ पे ये देखिए जॉब कोड साथ साथ लिखे हुए पोस्ट PRK टीचर. कैंडिडेट शुड हैव कंप्लीटेड एनी डिग्री विद Montessori ECC or B.DED B.Ed in our recognized university. Then PRT English BA English with B.Ed, PRT Hindi BA Hindi with B.Ed. Hindi should be main subject of study in graduation. TGT Arabic BA MA Arabic with B.Ed. TGT Tamil BA Tamil with B.Ed. Tamil should be the main subject of study in graduation. TGT in Malayalam with B.Ed should be the main subject of studying graduation. Next, PRT General Science BSc in any science branch with B.Ed in science. PRT Social Studies BA MA in History, Geography, Sociology, Economics with B.Ed. PRT Mathematics BSc Mathematics with B.Ed. TGT Psychology Graduation in Psychology compulsory, minimum 3 years of experience in rehabilitation setting or school development center. TGT Special Educator MA in Special Education preferable, B.Ed in Special Education compulsory, RCI registration is must, minimum 3 years of experience in Special Education Center. PGT School Counselor Postgraduate in Counseling and Clinical Psychology compulsory, proficient knowledge in Education Psychology, experience in adolescent counseling. Minimum 3 years experience is required for this post. PGT Economics MA Economics with B.Ed. TGT Computer Science BCA BSc Computer Science and IT with B.Ed, updated knowledge or current IT skills. PRT Psychology Physical Education BP.Ed with specialization in games. PRT Music Teacher BA Music or any other equivalent certificate, experience in playing musical instrument is preferred. PRT Art and Craft BA MA Fine Art from a recognized university. Library B Library M Library from a recognized university. Dance PRT BA MA in performing art with specialization in Indian classic classical dance. We need passionate, young and dynamic candidates who have an edge over the 21st century teaching skills. Candidates must have completed his/her education in English as medium of instruction. Candidates should have completed their studies through regular study, no distant or part-time. Candidate should have good fluency in English language. Minimum 3 years of working experience in a CBSE affiliated school is preferred. You must